Hey, what's up guys, Phil here, and this is a review for the Aiboo Vanity LED string lights. You'll receive a set of Vanity string lights with 10 LED bulbs, 2 sets of double-sided sticker sheets with 10 stickers each, a touch controller, a 6.5-foot AC power adapter, and instructions for the string light and touch controller. The bulbs for the string light are small in size, measuring 1 3/4 inches in diameter and about 2 1/4 inches tall. They are made of a lightweight plastic and are frosted white. Between each bulb is about 14 inches of silver insulated wire. On one end of the string lights is a barrel-style input plug. Plug the touch controller into it and then the AC adapter into the other end. To turn the lights on or off, make sure to turn the line-in switch on, then tap the power icon on the touch controller. The string lights can also be used without the touch controller for a simple on-off function. With the touch controller though, you can dim the lights as well by pressing and holding the power icon. The lights will dim slowly until it reaches about 10% brightness. A subsequent touch and hold will bring the brightness back up quite quickly. The dimming and brightening functions will alternate with each successive touch and hold. At any point while the brightness is changing, you can lift your finger from the touch controller to stop at that brightness level. However, getting the timing just right is a little bit tricky. When installing the lights, use the double-sided sticker rounds to adhere to the bottom of the bulbs and place them around your mirror frame. The maximum size of your mirror would have to be 12 linear feet around the perimeter or less, if you want the lights to be evenly spaced around all 4 sides. You can install the lights with the wires visibly stretched between the bulbs, or arrange the wires behind the frame of the mirror with tape or wire clips to make them less conspicuous. When installed, the bulbs are fairly bright and distribute light around the entire mirror evenly. The hue is a natural bright white that is slightly cool in temperature. There's no option to make these bulbs a warmer color though. While the lights won't be bright enough to be the primary light source in a bedroom, they do provide a decent amount of supplemental light at close range, even in dim conditions. Since you get 2 sets of adhesive stickers, you can unmount and reinstall the lights a second time if you need to. Overall, these vanity lights are simple to install, easy to use, and provide ample lighting for a vanity mirror that's medium to large in size. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.